Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change a password in VistaCreate account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, head over to VistaCreate website. Type in create.vista.com in your address bar and click on Enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of VistaCreate. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down option, click on Account Settings tab. Now, make sure that you are selected to Account here. Now click on Edit Account Details button. A new window will appear. From here, in the Account Settings option, go to Security tab. You will see Password section there. Now click on Change Link. And you need to type in your new password on this field here. It should be 8 character minimum, 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter and at least 1 number. Now type in a password on this field here. After that, click on Save button. And that is how you can change a password in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.